Hello there, this is Book 3, Lesson 39, and we're about to learn a new song on page 24, The Saints Get Ready. Let's look at the song, open it up. And so in this song, children, you are going to learn to play with both hands together while each hand is doing a separate movement. And that's the new part in the song. Let's look at the song. You can see already that in the beginning, the right hand is playing the melody and the left hand is playing chords, kind of alternating though, right? They're alternating. And then throughout the middle of the song, the roles are reversed. The left hand is going to play the melody and the right hand is going to play the chords, which isn't so new. What I like to do first is I like to go over the melody first with you, and I want you to also practice that separate at first. So we're going to do the right hand. And then the left hand gets to play it. So there's really nothing super new about this. All what you're doing is you're playing chord tones in the right hand at first. So there's skips, either going up or down. Skip down, skip up. Here's a step, a skip, a skip, step. And the right hand is doing the same thing. And then on the last line, you see just all these steps going down. So, fa, mi, re, do. These are all very familiar patterns that you will remember. And looking at the chords, you will know those two chords as well. Nothing new here. We go one chord, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, and so forth. And the right hand is doing the same. So you can practice that separately so you get really good at it. Now comes putting both hands together. Now what I'm looking at is I want to hold down my right hand while I'm letting go of my left hand. And that part is what's new in this song. So here I'm going to go play the first note. Okay, so I'm holding down this note while I'm going hop. Then I'm going to play legato from so to mi. Mi, hop, do, hop, mi, hop, so, hop, 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 hop. And hold down, right? That's what's new, okay? Second one is hold, let go, legato in the right hand, and I'm hopping in my left hand. You want to do that very slowly. Now we're switching, reversing roles. The right hand plays the chords, the left hand plays the melody. And the left hand starts. I'm holding down, hop, hop. Last line. Notice now, chord change, and again chord change. I want you to play this really slowly, and I'm going to really listen for your chord changes in the last line. Now, the easy motion would be like this. And you very much likely parents will see your child do that. I'd like you to encourage to do it this way, where you hold it down. That is the next step up when the children get into the experiencing that the right hand is doing something differently from the other hand. They're doing separate things. Okay, moving on, I liked them to still practice and review improvisations in practice CD. On the practice CD 3, numbers 19 to 21, you're playing in D major. You will hear a improvisation in one chord, and they're supposed to answer in the opposite chord, which right now is the 5/7, and sometimes it's reverse. The first one is right hand duple meter. So I'll do an example. Here we go. That's one chord. Now I'm going to answer in the 5/7. Okay, then you would get a 5/7. Answer in the one chord. Same thing in the right hand. And then we'll have triple hand, triple meter in the right hand. Do da dee do da dee do dee do. Okay, that was triple meter, and then you have, left hand in dupe, already did that. Going down the list, Zumgali Gali in F minor. Can you play it in a different minor key? I'd be interested. And I'd like them to review the reading piece, Rocky Mountain, page 23. And listening to the sonatina in C major, and analyze with major chord symbol cards that you have received last week. So I would like to go over the writing assignment as well on page 22. Okay, so let's look at page 22 first. Children, you'll see that you are going to do an homework using chord tones of the one chord and the 5/7 chord. And we went over this and we discovered that the chord tones in the one chord also can add the octave do up high in the treble C. So if I were to sing that, it's like do, mi, so, do. So I'm adding this second do, part of the chord tone family. Ti, re, fa, so. We also discovered that re is part of the 5/7 chord tone family. Ti, re, fa, so. All right, and now it says, write several 4-note patterns using the notes of the tonic chord in C major. Also include high do. You do not have to use all 4 different notes for each measure. So I'm going to demonstrate this. The first one is giving to me, so it'll be so, mi, no, do, mi, so, mi. And my next pattern could be, how about mi, do, mi, so. And I do want to color them in. And the next one could be so, do. Okay? There. So that would take care of number 1. Number 2 is switching to the 5/7 chord tone family. Ti, 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 re, so, fa.